Hi guys, this is Srikant. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about one of the stock which is a penny stock. We should be cautious about investing this stock. You have to take the advice of your financial advisor. And if you discuss almost in 1 year, we can able to see the stock has been almost declining. And you see, in 5 years, I think it is not there. We have to like we see it's almost in 1 year. Well, I have to check in the another graph so that you can able to have a good analysis about the stock. And if you see, it has been declining from the 2 point, if you see one for 1 year, it has been declining for 2.55 paisa to, and almost it has been declined to almost 87 paisa. So we can able to observe that it is a like almost 63% of decline we can able to see here. And you can able to see the 52 week low of 0.79 paisa and 2 rupees 86 of high it has made. That is the we have to consider. And market cap is really good. If you see, it is almost not below 50 crores. It is really good. There is a lot of confidence in is there in the market on this stock. And some people who are really really hopeful for this stock, and PE ratio is very high if you consider this stock. And then, what we can able to observe is, we have seen that the company has reduced the debt, and the stock has almost debt free, and stock is trading as, we can able to see that stock is trading at below like almost 35 times its book value. And company has delivered a good profit growth of 96.2 percentage. That's really, it's like 96.34 is a CAGR of the company. And if you observe the stock, we can able to see that one of the cons we can able to observe is the promoter holding is 24.8 percentage. It's very low. 24% is very low. We can able to consider it. And other thing we can able to see the cons and what are the disadvantages of the company while investing in the stock is, the company has a low return on equity of almost 1 rupee 76 percentage. The return of equity is very low. We should consider this one. And other thing we have observed in the stock is it has a high debtors of 314 days of high debtors is there. If you observe the in the last 5 days, we can able to see that, by observing the last 5 days, we can observe that the stock has been almost like up, it is going to upper circuit, and once again it is falling. It may be due to the market fluctuation which is happening these days. The market has almost fallen to almost 1,000 points, and it is made decline, and it may affect to other stocks also. So at this moment, the trauma is there in the market, and the panic is being there, the panic selling is there. So this is the great opportunity you can able to take in the stock, and that is also with a less amount, which you can able to bear it if it becomes a losing company. And if you see that, if the investor consider as a long term investment, you can take it a like a low stake of 0.5 percentage in your portfolio, or 1 percentage or 1 to 2% you can able to take the stake. And then if you see the Filatex Fashions, it recently has got almost 3 orders of almost 660 crores. It's a really good and positive note for the company. And 660 crores of order is, it's not a small amount, we can able to see that. And there is a lot of hope is there for the stock in the investors, but it has been fluctuating a lot. One other thing is, we can able to see that there is a 1:5 bonus share has been given, and it has been split recently. That is also one of the reason it has been declining. But we can able to see that in a positive way. The people, investors, or you should be cautious about the stock. And other thing we can able to see is one of the subsidiary company of Filatex Mines and Minerals Private Limited. It's a subsidiary of the in Hyderabad, which is located. and we can able to see that if you observe the resistance of the company, we can able to see that almost it can go to 1 rupee 90 paisa, and it may be the resistance of the company, and it or 2 rupees 50 paisa, it may be the resistance. And other thing is, if you see the support of the company, you can buy in between 79 paisa to almost 1 rupee 20 paisa. So this may be the support area, we can able to buy it at this zone. But you have to think of the positioning. The position will be very less take you can able to take, and you can able to try. And if there would be a increase of 5x times, you can able to sell it and you can able to make a profit. But if you are really interested, you can able to invest for longer term, that is really beneficial for you. And if it gives more bonus, you can get a more extra shares also. If you observe the stock for longer term, like if in 6 months it has been almost declining, but in 1 year also it has been declining, but 3 years it has little bit of rose of, it can rise, you can able to see in the stock from almost 82 paisa to 5 rupees, it has rose to almost 5 rupees. And if you see the for 5 years, there is a like almost it has touched the peak of 5 rupees and has fallen drastically. And in 10 years it has been, like you can see that there's a lot of fluctuation happen in the 10 years. Almost it is gone to 3 rupees 80 paisa, and then it touched to 5 rupees. There are a lot of fluctuations are happening. If you see the maximum in 2009, it's almost at 20 rupees. There's a lot of hope is there for the stock, we can able to see that in a longer term. And there would be a lot of fluctuations which is happening, and decline of almost 0.40 paisa in 2019. So you have to consider this stock as a penny stock, which we can able to see the lot of volatility in the stock. And if you observe the stock, we can able to see that the stock has almost given a good returns over the period of time. And if you observe the stock, we can see that there is almost profits has been generated by the stock. And if you observe the stock, we can able to see that there is a 2 rupees 83 lakhs of profit it has been generated over the few quarters. And if you see in March 2023 to almost June 2024, there is there are a lot of changes has been happened, like in the profits. It has been generating good profits over the period of few quarters. If you observe the shareholding pattern of the company, we can able to see that it's like almost in June 2023 it is 1.5% percentage. But whenever it has been rise to almost 24.82%, the promoter is showing a lot of interest in the stock. And if you see the one of the reason is it has a good one of the subsidiary company of the Hyderabad based company. And other thing is it has a raising the capital. For that purpose, it has given 1:5 ratio of split has been happened. And the investors, the promoters want to take more stake from the public. And you see the public has almost 97% in December 2022, but it has been almost declined for 75% because the stake has been taken by the promoters. But promoters are showing a lot of interest in the stock, because we can able to see that there is a rise in the stake value of the almost 22 percentage. So that is also we have to consider it. And if you are really interested in this channel, just please subscribe the channel and please motivate me to do best videos for you. Thank you for watching.